Imagine this. In 2010, a programmer purchased 2 pizzas for 10,000 bitcoins. Today, those same coins would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Crazy, right? That's the power and mystery of cryptocurrency. While stories of overnight millionaires circulate, many people remain unsure about where to start. If you've ever wondered, should I get into crypto? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you on how to start with cryptocurrency safely, invest wisely, understand the real pros and cons, and debunk the biggest myths that hold beginners back. Stay tuned until the end, as I'll share a mindset that can help you avoid costly mistakes. Let's be honest, crypto feels exciting but also confusing. Terms like Bitcoin, Ethereum, wallets, and blockchain can sound like a foreign language. Additionally, you may be concerned about losing money or falling victim to scams. It's wise to be cautious. Hype and mistakes can lead to significant losses. The good news is that you don't need to be a tech genius or a Wall Street pro to get started. With the right approach, anyone can start small, invest safely, and build wealth over time. Let's break down crypto into simple, actionable steps. Step 1. Understand what crypto really is. Think of cryptocurrency as digital money with a key difference. It's built on blockchain technology, a public, tamper-proof digital ledger. This means that no bank or government controls it. Every transaction is transparent and recorded, and you own your money directly. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Created in 2009, however, there are now thousands, including Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, each serving distinct purposes. Some cryptocurrencies act like digital gold, such as Bitcoin, while others power applications, games, and smart contracts, like Ethereum. If Bitcoin is like digital gold, then Ethereum is like a vast app store for developers. The takeaway is clear. Crypto is more than just internet money. It represents a new financial system that operates 24/7. Step 2. Start small and set a budget. Here's the golden rule. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Consider crypto like a gym membership. You wouldn't buy every machine at once, but instead start with a small, manageable routine. Decide how much you can invest each month without stress. For beginners, even $20 to $100 can be a good starting point for learning and growth. This approach fosters healthy investing habits while protecting you in case of market fluctuations, because yes, crypto markets can be very volatile. Step 3. Choose the right exchange. To buy cryptocurrency, you need a crypto exchange. Some popular options include Coinbase, a simple and beginner-friendly platform, Kraken, Gemini, and Binance. These platforms allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrency, track prices in real time, set up recurring purchases. Tip: always enable two-factor authentication for added security. Additionally, only use exchanges that are regulated in the United States to minimize the risk of scams. Step 4. Secure your crypto wallet basics. Think of your crypto wallet as a digital safe. There are two main types. Hot wallets, these are apps connected to the internet. While they offer convenience, they are more exposed to hackers. Cold wallets, these include devices like USB drives. They are offline and much safer for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency. For beginners, starting with a trusted exchange wallet is a good option. However, as your investment grows, consider using a cold wallet for long-term safety. Analogy: your exchange account functions like a checking account, while a cold wallet acts like a home safe. Step 5. Build your first crypto portfolio. A straightforward strategy for beginners is to start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Why? You can later explore other coins, known as altcoins, but it's wise to keep them as a smaller portion of your portfolio. A suggested allocation is 70% Bitcoin and Ethereum, and 30% or less in altcoins until you gain more experience. Tip: use the dollar-cost averaging method by investing a fixed amount on a weekly or monthly basis. This approach helps smooth out the highs and lows of market swings. Step 6. Know the pros and cons. Before you invest any money, familiarize yourself with the real advantages and risks associated with cryptocurrency. Pros: high growth potential. Bitcoin has increased from under $1 to tens of thousands of dollars. 24/7 market. You can trade it anytime, unlike the stock market. Ownership and freedom. There's no bank middleman. Global reach. You can send value across the world in minutes. Cons, volatility. Prices can rise or drop by 20% in a single day. Scams and fraud. Fake coins and phishing attacks are a risk. Regulatory uncertainty. Rules can change, which can affect prices. Loss of funds. If you lose your password, your funds are unrecoverable. The takeaway: cryptocurrency represents a high-risk, high-reward investment. Approach it like a marathon rather than a lottery ticket. Step 7. Busting the biggest myths. Let's clear up some common misconceptions. Myth 1. Crypto is only for criminals. This is untrue. Major companies and even governments are now using cryptocurrency. Myth 2. It's too late to start. Wrong again. We are still in the early stages of the digital money revolution. Myth 3. I'll get rich overnight. The reality is that most wealth is built slowly through consistent investing. Myth 4. Crypto is 100% anonymous. False. The blockchain records every transaction, making it transparent and immutable. Always differentiate between hype and facts. Understanding market cycles. Before diving into advanced habits, it's crucial to understand how cryptocurrencies move in cycles. Think of crypto like the seasons. Spring, accumulation, prices remain steady, and savvy investors quietly make purchases. Summer, bull run, prices surge, headlines shout, and everyone wants to get involved. Autumn, distribution, early buyers take profits, and prices start to fluctuate. Winter, bear market, prices drop sharply, leading most people to panic and sell. Understanding these cycles helps prevent planting seeds in a snowstorm. Patience during winter and buying during spring are key strategies for building long-term wealth. You will often hear the phrase, "do your own research." This isn't just a catchphrase. Here's a quick checklist for beginners before buying any coin. Purpose. What problem does this coin solve? Team. Are the founders credible and transparent? Community. Is there real, active support? Use case. Is the coin actually being used, or is it just hype? Supply. How many coins exist? Scarcity matters. For example, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million, which supports its value over time. In contrast, random meme coins often have an unlimited supply, which can dilute value. Taxes and the law. Don't skip this. Yes, digital currency is subject to IRS regulations. In the USA, every time you sell cryptocurrency for a profit, it is considered a capital gain. Long-term holders. Those holding for over a year typically pay lower tax rates than short-term traders. While exchanges may issue tax forms, it is your responsibility to report accurately. Simple tip: keep a crypto journal to record every buy, sell, and trade. This will save you stress during tax season. Investing in crypto isn't just about numbers, it's also about human emotions. Fear of missing out and panic selling are two major wealth destroyers. Panic example: the market dips by 20% and you sell at the lowest point. Remember this mantra: time in the market beats timing the market. Slow, steady investing is more effective than emotional trading. Diversifying beyond coins. As you grow in your investment journey, consider viewing crypto as more than just coin. Options include stable coins like USDC for earning interest and staking certain coins to earn passive rewards. Layer 2 networks that enhance transaction speeds. Blue chip ETFs or blockchain-based real estate projects. You don't need to explore all of these options, but being aware of them helps you spot opportunities beyond simply buying coins. Building a long-term vision. Consider your reasons for investing. Is it to create a retirement fund? To hedge against inflation? To achieve a significant life goal, such as purchasing a house or starting a business? Write down your crypto mission statement. This may seem simple, but during turbulent market times, having a written goal will help keep you focused. One of the most underrated advantages of crypto is its community. Unlike traditional finance, the crypto space thrives on open discussions and shared knowledge. Engaging with the right communities can accelerate your learning and help you avoid costly mistakes. Look for quality forums, such as Reddit's cryptocurrency, Discord or Telegram groups managed by reputable projects, Twitter or X threads from well-known crypto educators. Tip: avoid getting caught up in hype. Select spaces where individuals share research rather than engage in pump-and-dump schemes. Additionally, commit to continuous learning. The crypto landscape evolves quickly. New coins, regulations, and technologies emerge every month. Aim to read one trusted crypto newsletter or watch one in-depth tutorial every week. This simple habit can help you stay ahead of the curve and build genuine confidence. Remember, in crypto, knowledge translates to profit. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll identify, well before they hit the headlines. Step 8. Smart habits for long-term success. To avoid common beginner mistakes, follow these guidelines. Research thoroughly before making a purchase. Don't chase coins simply because they are trending on social media. Keep your emotions in check. Fear and greed can lead to poor decisions. Stay informed by following trusted news sources and official project websites. Consider buying just $20 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Observe how the market behaves over the course of a week. You'll gain more insights through action than by reading for months. Remember, wealth favors careful, educated actions. So, are you ready to plant your first crypto seed and watch it grow? If this video has been helpful, please click the like button. Subscribe for more step-by-step financial tips, and let's embark on your crypto journey, one wise decision at a time.